Honestly, I'm about to throw my hair into a bun pretty soon because it is so hot. I cannot right now.
I've been working on it, putting in overtime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I just want to like rush this intro because I have some very exciting news. Like I'm literally sweating. I'm not wearing any makeup right now and both of my arms are like sore because your girl got 2 shots today, but I ain't stopping her from filming this video for you guys. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys aren't already subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button down below because also give this video a thumbs up if you're excited or you know what this video is going to be about. I mean, obviously you know what it's going to be about because of the title, but still go give it a big like. As you guys read by the title, I will be unboxing my new iPhone XS. It's so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. So if you guys didn't know, before this phone, I had a iPhone 6, and that was like long time ago. Everyone would be getting like the 8s, the 10s, and I'm here with the 6, but now I have the 10. So I got this phone yesterday. I kinda opened it already just to, you know, get like this off so I can just open it for you guys and show you it. So let me just take out the cellophane because it's in my way. But yeah, this is the case it comes with, and this, yeah, you know what I'm getting at. So let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna open the box, and I don't want to show it to you guys while I do it because, yeah. So this is what it is, the phone, and I got it in the color gold. It is so pretty. Here, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's how it looks like. It is so pretty. I'm gonna take this off. I don't want to take this off, but I already ordered like screen protectors and like a case, so it's fine. So yeah, OMG. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. And like this gold is like a pink undertone. It's so pretty. And I also got an Apple Watch to kind of match it. It's gold and pink too. So if you want to see like an unboxing of that, I will be happy to do it for you because I just ordered it and it comes in tomorrow. So I'm going to be picking it up and I'm excited for that as well. But yeah, I got in a gold one. My whole family basically got new phones because it was a time for an update, and we also switched carriers from Sprint to Verizon, so hopefully it's better, but it's so pretty. Okay, so, oh my god, I pressed this thinking that there's a home button, but there's no home button. Oh, but it's still turned on. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you're excited to see this video, go get this video like right now. Right now. I'm so excited. Honestly, this is like, oh, okay, so it looks like this. And I think this is the one where if you press it, it moves. Oh my gosh. Do you see it moving? That is so cool. So like for my 6, when I had my 6, like people would have they download like this app about you can set wallpapers you can set live pictures as your wallpaper, but it was an app. But now you can actually do it with your phone. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, so I'm going to get this thing started. Make a passcode, set up my Face ID. It's making me move in like circles. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so I got my Face ID set and let's try it. Oh, it works. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to set my wallpaper to one of my backgrounds that I had before really fast. And make sure before you get a new phone and you trade in your old phone, or you give up your old phone, make sure you like back your phone up before you're gonna lose all your apps, your contacts, your pictures, and you don't want to do that. So, okay, so I set it up and I added like the assistive touch thingy to it. So this is how it looks like. So I still have all my apps and stuff. Oh, that's not it. So I have all my apps and everything still there. And then I have all my messages and my pictures still intact. So that's good. I still have yet to, oh, I forgot to tell you what else was in the box. I was so excited for the phone that I forgot to show you. So obviously you have your basic manual, and then it comes with these earphones. They're like the regular ones, but this time instead of the hole, it has this, kind of like the charger, because if you guys can see, it shares the same thing, which is probably like the thing that I don't like about this phone, is that I can't charge and use my earphones at the same time unless I buy the adapter. Compared to the old phones, there was one for the charging and there was one for the earphones, so that was very convenient. And then it also has your charger inside here, so the basic charger. I have to buy the one that can do both, like the adapter. So yeah, that's basically what's inside. I'm gonna have to read the manual later to play around with this phone some more, just so I can get used to it and figure out all the other cool things. Okay. So my first impression without even like opening the phone is that it's like huge compared to the 6. And you know how the other phones would have the home screen, but there would be like a line not covering the whole screen and then even the top part, but this one, it's like the whole thing. All right, let me unlock it. Then, let's see. I don't know a lot of things about this because I just got it. So what I do know is that when you swipe down is when it has like all your notifications. And then when you swipe up, oh, can you swipe up? No, guess you cannot. What else did I learn? I forgot. Oh, I think it's if you swipe diagonally from top to bottom, it has all your display stuff. So the huge. And then, what else do we have here? Oh, something that I found really cool is that on the top, you know how when you normally go to your general settings to do the battery percentage, now if you just slide it down, it has it already right on top. So right there. Okay. Something that I want to test out though is the camera quality. Let's do like a little testing here, and I'll put the picture. So this is the photo with the facing me without portrait. Let me just find good lighting. Okay, and then we're gonna do one with portraits. You can see how that looks like. It's actually really nice. And then something that I found really cool about this thing is this one where you can make your own memoji. I'm gonna totally make one right now. Okay, let's just do a fast one so I'm not here for a long time talking. Let me screen record this for you guys so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. Okay. Alright, so I'm screen recording now, and then I'm going to select, where is it? That does not look like me. I think this one looks pretty okay. My head shape, I have a pretty round face, so I think that one would be good. And then my eyes, maybe, I kind of have big eyes, so that one. My brows are like this. Actually, no. Kind of like this. Yeah. My nose are kind of like this. And my lips. Let's put some lipstick on us. Because I love dark lipstick. We're going to have some fuller lips because I don't have lips like that. Not like that either. There. Oh. I look kind of weird, but whatever. I think this is the one that looks like me. And then, but we're gonna move back to skin color because I'm pretty sure I'm a little bit lighter than this. These ones. Yes, and my hair's like not brown. Well, it is brown, but it's like dark brown. So I think that one. Or let's just put black. I have highlights, but okay, we'll do this one. That does not look like me. Something's off. I think it's the head shape, maybe. Yeah. It might be that. Or let's give her like a little bit nicer. Okay, whatever. We'll just go with that. I don't think I'm this color, though. I think I'm a little bit lighter. I think I'm... No, it's too dark. Okay, I think I'm like this. Yes! Okay, cool. So, what you do is you go like this. What's up, y'all, and welcome to my channel. Okay, bye. So that's basically how you work the Memoji. I don't know what else there really is here because I just got this phone and I'm still trying to like learn all the things with it. That's all I got so far, but all I know is that for like when you FaceTime or you send messages like with pictures or video, you can use the Memojis. I don't even know what else is there, but I will totally like look at the manual to see the cool features that this phone has to offer. And yeah, so overall I'm in love with this phone. Literally, I'm so excited that I have it. But anyway, if you guys want to see my unboxing of my Series 4 Apple Watch, then let me know in the comments and I will do so. But besides that, if you guys have an iPhone 6, not 6, if you guys have an iPhone XS or the iPhone XS Max, let me know in the comments on what you guys think of it. And besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Mwah.
I've been working on it, putting in overtime, putting in overtime.